The Federal Capital Territory High Court sitting in Gudu in Abuja has sentenced the former governor of Taraba State, NYAME, to 14 years in prison without option of fine. Justice Adebukola Banjoko handed out the sentence in a judgment that lasted more than 4 hours. Our judiciary correspondent Basil Okafor has details in this report.
The former Taraba State Governor, Jolly NYAME, who was prosecuted for misappropriation of the state funds to the tune of 1.64 billion naira during his tenure between 1999 and 2007, appeared in court along with some of his relatives for judgment in the corruption case against him. In delivering the judgment, the trial judge, Justice Adebukola Banjoko, found the former governor guilty on 27 out of the 41 counts filed against him by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. After convicting NYAME, the judge held that based on the testimonies of the witnesses called by EFCC to prove its case against the former governor, that there was a crazy level of corruption during NYAME's tenure as governor of the state. In sentencing the convict, Justice Banjoko held that NYAME will serve 14 years in prison for the offense bordering on criminal breach of trust, 7 years for gratification, 2 years for the offense bordering on misappropriation, and another 5 years, but that it will run concurrently. In the opinion of the judge, the sentence will serve as a deterrent to governors and other public officials who are currently occupying various positions.
It's a long walk to justice. The judgment has demonstrated a show of courage that, and it has sent a very clear signal to the society that corruption does not pay in any way.
There was a heavy presence of security operatives while the judgment was going on, and after the judge concluded, the convict was seen being taken away in a vehicle belonging to EFCC. Defense counsel was not around for reaction after the judgment, but prosecution counsel provided more insight.
The battle certainly has not been easy. The case has traveled all the way to Supreme Court and has come back. His Lordship rightly mentioned that trial eventually started in 2010 when the charge was filed in 2007.
In proving its case against the former governor, EFCC had called 14 witnesses, while NYAME testified in his defense and called other 3 witnesses.